Hi guys, this is a place in somewhere in Wayuku, down south of Auckland. I'm just watching the herds of uh, cows. They're just coming back um, from being milk. Yeah, uh, look at them. There are like more than 1,000 of them, I think. Yeah. So this is the biggest industry in New Zealand. Industries in New Zealand, the dairy farming, and look at the. So the cows are being milked twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. So the farm assistant will go and call the cows probably at 4:30 in the morning to come to the cow shed, to the milking shed rather, and they're being milked. And the workers could be just like 4 or 5 people to milk a herd of like probably 1,800 heads. Yeah, so it will take them like 5 hours to do. So like now this one is they started milking this one at 6, so now they are only being released. So later on in another round, say about 3 o'clock, they will be called again. So this is a big thing in New Zealand. Dairy farmers, farm assistant is a big job. It's a very interesting job, and yeah, there are a lot of openings actually. So if you are interested to become a farm assistant, uh, please contact me, and probably I can arrange you to contact some of the uh, dairy owners, the farm, or rather the farmers. Yeah, look at the cows. They're behaving so well. Okay guys, that's all for now. Bye.